In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find your Bitcoin wallet address on Binance. It is super simple. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Binance website on your computer. Then from here, you need to log in and go up to the deposit tab up here. When you click that, you'll see this image called Fund Your Wallet, and you have three opportunities. You need to click on Deposit Crypto to find your wallet. From here, you can select the coin either by choosing the 5 down here, or you can search for it up here. And because I want to find my Bitcoin wallet, I need to click on BTC. Then I need to select the network and just click on that who has the lowest minutes, like so. And as you can see here, now my deposit address is here. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!